Hello. So today we're going to make bacon dog treats for the boys. Real easy recipe. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. A half a cup of hot water, warm water. A half a cup of bacon grease that you had rendered from your bacon that you stored in your refrigerator. Melted. 1 egg. And that's it. That's all you need. I want to add some flaxseed. I'm going to get all that bacon grease out of that cup. Preheat your oven to 350 because you're going to bake these for about 20 minutes. And we're just going to make a dough. I'm going to add in a little bit of flaxseed, just a tablespoon, to the mix. Because it's healthy for the boys' digestive system. They're getting older. They're 7 years old, so yeah, we need to get some of that fiber through them. The good stuff, right? Okay, now I've explained this a lot of times. This is the 8-quart KitchenAid. No matter what size KitchenAid you have, you're going to have to mix the bottom. That's the problem I found with KitchenAids, and I've been having them for years. This is my 4th KitchenAid. 3rd KitchenAid, sorry. I swore I will never buy another one after this. But we're trying the industrial one. This is the commercial KitchenAid 8-quart mixer, and it does seem to have better horsepower, but KitchenAid does not warranty for making bread. Even though they have a bread dough meter on there, yeah, it's crazy. So this dough is going to be greasy, of course, because it's bacon. And we're just blending it in really good. I want to mix the ingredients well. I'm going to drop it down. Because I want all the flour wet. And right now you can see some of it isn't. It's kind of dry. So, and it smells good. The boys are going to love it. I'm so tired of paying high price for dog treats. I'm just saying. Then we're going to roll it out on the counter over here. Alright, it's mixed well enough. I'm going to pause it, turn it around so you can see what I'm going to do. Next. Okay, so it took about another 4 minutes of kneading, a fast knead in my KitchenAid to get this to where I could even get it close to come together like this. So, and like I said, it's not going to be like a regular dough for, say, bread dough. And I forgot to get my pan out. You just roll it out to about a 1/4 or so inch thick, however thick you want it. I have little dogs, so I don't want it too thick. I'm going to kind of keep the shape a little. Just roll it out to the thickness you want. Like I said, I'm going to kind of try to keep it into a shape a little, because I'm just going to cut them and stick them on there. Good enough. Alright. Now you can take a pizza cutter or your pasta cutter. You're just going to cut shapes into the dough. However thickness you want it. I'm using this so it gives it a little bit of style, I guess. And then this one here will go half. Alright. We'll turn this. You cut it as thick as you want it, because it's not going to rise or do anything different. Now we're going to take a fork. You don't have to do this, I just want to do it for the decoration. And you poke a couple holes in it so it looks like a cookie. A dog treat one. And each one, you don't have to do two, you can just do one. This is just how I roll. The little ones I'm going to throw together, I think. And then when you're done with this, you put it on your cookie sheet. Bake it for about 20 minutes or until done. You don't want it to burn, so check it in about 20 minutes. Again, this is an extra step you don't have to do. If I could think of the lady's video that I saw this from, I will find it and I will put it on the About section. Okay. So then we're just going to put them on here. You know what, if I could just separate them on here a little so they're not all cooked together. Then I can just slide this whole thing on here. Oops. Like that. And just move them around so that they're not touching each other. Then you've got your dog treats. And like I said, I'm going to keep these in the fridge. You just move them around how you can. Like so. There we go. We have our dog treats. Alright, I'll be back when they're done baking. Alright, it's been 20 minutes and I believe they are done. They're not burnt on the bottom. I'm going to let them cool really good before I give them to them. And I don't even think you need to put them on a cooling rack. I'm just doing that to help them cool down a little faster. I am going to be making some more dog treats for them. So much easier and affordable, and I want a good variety for them. So they got something to choose from that's healthy, that I know what's in it. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe so you can see the next ones I'm making. And as always, I enjoy your comments. Hopefully nice. If not, that's alright. You guys have a great day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.